Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google XML Sitemaps plugin for WordPress SEO, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect the Google XML Sitemaps plugin for WordPress SEO, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left side menu. Click on Add New at the top of the Plugins page. In the search bar, type Google XML Sitemaps and press Enter. Locate the Google XML Sitemaps plugin in the search results. Click on the Install Now button next to the plugin. Once the installation is complete, click on the Activate button. After activation, look for the Settings option on the left side menu. Hover over Settings and then click on XML Sitemap. The plugin will automatically generate a sitemap for your site. Take note of the URL of your sitemap, which is typically found on the Settings page. You can customize various settings such as priority and frequency of updates. Once you've made your adjustments, scroll down and click Update Options. Next, you'll want to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. Log into your Google Search Console account. Select your website property from the dashboard. Click on Sitemaps in the left-hand menu. In the Add a New Sitemap field, enter the URL of your sitemap. Click the Submit button to complete the process. To verify everything is working correctly, check back in Google Search Console after a few days. You should see your sitemap processed and indexed by Google. Congratulations, you've successfully connected the Google XML Sitemaps plugin for WordPress SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.